Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is WordPad. Now what is WordPad? All of you know there is a notepad in which we write our simple notes. Similarly, if we want to write notes on computer, which program we'll use? We'll use WordPad. WordPad is a special program in which you can type the text and save it for future use. So let's begin with opening WordPad. Parts of WordPad window. Entering text in WordPad. Saving a document. Opening a saved file. Closing WordPad. Let's begin with.
What are you doing, Ricky? I am typing a story in WordPad. What's WordPad? WordPad is a program that is used to type documents. WordPad is a special program which we use for typing text on the computer. It helps us to write on the computer like we write in our notebooks. Opening WordPad. Click on the Start button. The Start menu will open. A list of all applications appears on the left side. Click on the Windows Accessories. Click on the WordPad. Parts of WordPad window. File menu. Quick Access Toolbar. Tabs. Title bar. Ribbon. Working area. Zoom bar. Entering text in WordPad. The blinking cursor in your working area shows you that it is ready to type. Type the text by using various keys on the keyboard. WordPad shifts the text to the next line automatically as shown. Saving a document. Click on the Save As option to open Save As dialog box. Type a name for the document in the File Name box. Click on the Save button to save the document. Now, the document will be saved by the name you have typed for future use. Opening a saved document. Click on the File menu. Click on the Open option. An open dialog box appears. Double-click on the folder where you have saved your document. Click on the file name and then Open. Your file is open now to add or change the text. Closing WordPad. Click on the File menu. Then, click the Exit option. Click on the Close button displayed on the top right corner of WordPad window. If your file is not saved, a message will appear on your screen. Click on Save if you want to save the document. Click on Don't Save if you do not want to save the document.